Welcome to the Dell Unboxing video series. I am Ghazal Shah, the product manager for Latitude 9000 series, and I will walk you through an unboxing of our ultra premium commercial Latitude 9430 device. As we start with the unboxing, let's talk about the customer first. This product is created for a C-suite executive, a real estate agent, a PR professional, external sales, or even a lawyer. These end users create and execute a strategic vision, moving the company forward, developing relationships with external stakeholders and partners. This persona is driven to build and grow their business. They look for three key things: ultra premium and highly mobile devices, effective collaboration, and a high degree of privacy as they work on confidential data in several places. In the next section, I'm going to share with you how this device shines in each of these three areas. So let me first go to design. I've received this beautiful package containing my new Latitude 9430. First thing, it's super easy to open. It's just a slide right here and it opens up. And it's made out of 100% recycled and renewable materials. So it feels very good to go about my business while being sustainable. The tray inside contains my Latitude 9430 right here. And as I open it up, my first impression is of the striking new graphite color. Looking at this particular device, my first impression, it is very professional, but it's also a standout in the crowd. It's very small for a 14-inch device. So great mobility with a large screen size. Now, as I look at the edges, it has diamond cut edges right here. So that combined with the graphite color make the device look and feel very premium. Now, going through the ports that are there, it has multiple ports for my use. It has an HDMI, 2 Thunderbolt ports, a 3.5mm jack. And on the other side, you'll see it also has a USB port. So no need to really carry any dongles for this device. You can also see right here that it has two outlets for fans right there and then right here. This is called Dell Dual Opposite Outlet, a Dell patented design which ensures that the device runs very cool in high performance situations, even in my lab. Now, opening up this device, the first thing I notice is the keyboard. It's the same color as the rest of the device, continuing the premium feeling and consistency across. The display pretty much covers the entire screen, and the infinity bezels here make sure that it looks very seamless. The 16:10 display comes in an FHD or an improved Quad HD, depending on whether I prefer the clamshell laptop or a 2-in-1 laptop. The display here also comes in with a comfort view enabled, so I don't need any blue light glasses anymore because that technology is built right into the display. Moving to the next set of features that we spoke about, collaboration. Super important for this persona, and this device is built for it. Here, it has an FHD camera with safe shutter, so giving you brighter, more beautiful and vibrant images. The safe shutter automatically turns on and off when I jump in and out of video calls. If I'm a person who doesn't typically turn on my video, that's fine. The camera function key right here, that's F9. Make sure that I can override that automated safe shutter and turn off my camera if I have to. That's a Dell unique feature. This device comes with 4 speakers, solid top and bottom firing speakers, and 4 noise cancelling microphones, giving me an excellent audio quality. With this device, video conferencing from anywhere is easy. My audio and image get tuned based on surroundings, so I look and sound good, and my device prioritizes my voice over barking dogs and crying kids. And I can even mute myself right here with the touch of a button if I have to, with key F4, or disable my camera with F9 right here. Now, let's talk about the third thing that's super important for this persona, which is privacy and performance. Latitude 9430 takes intelligent privacy to the next level with onlooker detection, a feature where it protects my privacy and dims the display if it catches someone looking over my shoulder. It also makes logging onto this device very safe and very secure with express sign-in and safe shutter. The safe shutter right here turns on for a few seconds to recognize me and turns back off, making a sound each time so I know it's happening. Now, if I prefer a fingerprint reader to sign on, it's right here on the power button. Okay, getting to the important piece now, performance. This device gives you the ultimate performance and is equipped with the latest generation i5 and i7 vPro processors. It also has the 32 GB memory and a super large 1 TB SSD available. It has the largest battery size within this form factor in the industry. But what makes it special is that it intelligently maximizes this battery life. It dims my display when I'm looking away, also called look away detection. It adjusts power and display settings when I'm running low on battery and charges fastest with Express Charge 2.0. So I'm ready for my next presentation during a busy workday. Like what you see? Purchase this from Dell.com/latitude or call a Dell representative now. Don't forget to hit subscribe and watch our other videos for more information on Dell products.